Scotty, it's dirty.
Yeah. Wick got a new toy? Oh, yeah.
It's got some serious ass. Don't set it on the metal tray. Don't set it on the metal
Wow.
It's magnetic.
Look at that thing.
Incredibly magnetic, actually. Oh, wow.
Can you see the future with that?
Can somebody give me that?
So that be another light that we don't use while working on cars?
Yes, it is.
Awesome.
All right, so let's see here, Scotty. Let me turn a light on. Hang on. Look at how dirty that is in there. Everybody, you want to see what 60 years of schmutz looks like?
Hey, I'm not 60 yet.
Andre, did it come out your nose? It came out his nose.
Snort it.
Spit take. A perfect spit take. So,
You have no idea.
Just as I was taking a sip.
I saw it.
God.
That feels good too.
Do you,
They should come out your nose.
Coke's supposed to go up your nose, not out your nose. Oh, wait. So, Scotty, are you scraping off 60 years of schmutz?
And schmegma.
Schmegma, too. Look at it. We'll vacuum that up. Well, we're going to go to the other side. Scotty, do you have the tool? Here, give Peter the tool. And Peter can pull that off. Yeah.
And then
Oh, yeah. Rule one, give Peter the tool. What? What kind of videos is this? Well, you know.
it all depends on what time of night it is.
It goes on like this all the time. Yeah. Look at this. We got a group tonight. Woo, where's everybody else? Diet Coke nasal rinse. That's better than a neti pot.
Alright.
That doesn't
Probably
happen
cleans
very often.
better.
Yeah.
Make other people do that.
There you go.
So that was use one of Wick's brand new Ugga Dugga for his birthday. All right.
These guys right here.
This guy, that guy up there, and then that one there.
All right.
But it's kind of dirty though, right?
Yeah, it's a little dirty under there.
Ugga Dugga
Don't let
that.
that bother you.
Don't be scared.
Don't hate your cow.
Pull the trigger. Just hit it. Go. There you go. Go.
All right.
Yeah. There you go. All right. Done. That one's off. Now get the nut out before you put that on.
Take it out.
Take the nut out of the the nuts in the socket.
Oh.
Get that out of the socket.
You might have to screw that on a little bit
Gently.
To the,
Oh,
To
on
the-
the thing.
She's probably gonna go potty, Mike.
We had that little screwdriver.
Yeah, that's the potty walk. It's almost like a walk
Put it on?
machine.
Oh, I see.
Grant's gonna show.
just a couple threads.
Oh, to
There.
pop it out. Okay.
All right, now undo the other one. There we go. And then we will go tear these apart. We'll get these apart, and we'll get. You okay, Peter? You got it? That's square peg and square hole.
Oh, but it's not.
Here. Yeah.
Is there a trick to it?
It's new still, so. Jesus, yeah, it's
No,
gonna be
it's
a
not me.
two-hander.
It came off really.
There it goes. Yeah. All right. I did that one-handed. That was the problem.
It's on.
Okay, get the other one.
Just squeeze and hold.
No, it's not turning.
Just fire it. It will turn, Peter.
No, it's the thing's not turning.
It will.
It's the gun.
Yeah, it will. Oh, cause there you go. Okay. Put it on there and just
Once it's
Hit it.
on and you feel comfortable with it, just pull the trigger,
pull the trigger.
and hold it. There you go. It's good.
It's good. All right.
It's
pull
off.
the arm off.
Oh, this is on there again.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll deal with that in a minute. Pull the arm off. Grab the arm.
Oh.
Get the arm. Just pull it straight out to you.
Let me get it. Are you kidding me?
Is that not working? Probably need to bang on it a little bit. think this side's stuck. Yeah, we'll probably put a little dead blow on it, knock it loose.
Hi, Luna. Maybe I'm not strong enough.
Hey, Luna, what are you doing? Hey. Hi. Even Luna's part of the videos. All right.
This stuff here.
Try not to hit you in the face with it.
Is it?
It's just come straight out.
Why is it not coming out?
Get a pry bar behind there, maybe.
Yeah. Hold on, let me take a look.
Does it have washers on it? Could they have cocked strangely?
There's no
I would
washer.
assume so.
I don't see a
Oh
washer.
yeah, a little light.
Little light.
Gary's bringing in the light.
Look at that light.
The light.
Look at the new light.
Oh yeah, and there's washers that are a little on there. But yeah, we put a bar behind that and it should be good.
Did you have a bigger bar in there? Is that good?
We'll try the little guy. There we go.
I like that.
I don't know about that. Okay, you can get that now.
Yeah.
Bar? Bar.
Oh, well, that was easy.
And that was easy.
Look at that.
And there's your arm. Okay. Now we need to get these apart the rest of the way.
Let me get that bolt back, yeah.
Here, get that nut off of there, and then we'll bag that up and put it away. Needs some cleaning.
Yes, it needs some cleaning.
All right, there we go. We'll clean up. Okay, so we should take these arms, maybe
Clean up crew.
table. What table should we use?
To clean.